Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a professional profile on a Google Slide by iPhone. So the thing that you have to do, open your Google Slide application, and after that you just need to create the new documents by click this plus button, and now you just need to go into the choose template and scrolling down until you found the professional profile. And after you found it, you just need to go click it and wait until the application is generate the documents for you. It will take a little bit longer time to preparing the documents, and now you already got the template of the professional profile that you can use. You just need to change every information that happening here. For example, for your name, you just need to do a double click on the name and then start to adding your own name. For example, let's do with and you just need to follow, or you just need to change every informations to your own experience. And after you're done, you just need to go into the second slide and go change everything that you have here, and you will got this type of presentations. So that is the way how to create a professional profile on a Google Slide application by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.